In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete your Trello account step by step. Before you go ahead and remove your account, there are a few very important things you need to know, especially because Trello is connected to Atlassian. I'll walk you through the full process safely so you don't accidentally lose access to important boards or data. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy to follow software tutorials. Now let's get started. First, a quick warning. Deleting your Trello account is permanent. That means all of your boards, cards, workspaces, attachments, and activity history will be permanently removed. There is no undo button after deletion. Also, Trello accounts are linked directly to your Atlassian account, so when you delete your Trello account, you are actually deleting your Atlassian account as well, which could affect other Atlassian services, like Jira or Confluence if you use them. Another important thing to check before deleting: if you are the only admin on any Trello board, make sure you transfer admin rights to another member first. Otherwise, that board could be lost permanently. If you're just trying to clean things up, you might also consider archiving boards or cards instead of deleting your entire account. Alright, if you're sure you want to move forward, here's exactly what to do. Step 1. Log into your Trello account. Go to Trello.com and enter your login credentials. Once you're inside your dashboard and can see your boards, you're ready for the next step. Step 2. Look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your avatar, which is your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu with several account-related options. Step 3. From that drop-down menu, click on Manage Account. This will redirect you away from Trello and into your Atlassian account settings page, since Trello is managed through Atlassian. Step 4. Once you're inside your Atlassian account settings, click on Account Preferences. You may need to scroll slightly depending on your screen size, but you'll find it in the main profile management area. Step 5. Inside Account Preferences, look for the option that says Delete Account. This is usually located towards the bottom of the page because it's considered a permanent and sensitive action. Step 6. Click on Delete Account. Atlassian will likely ask you to confirm your identity and review what will be deleted. Carefully read through the information on the screen. Remember, this action will permanently remove your Trello data and your Atlassian account. If you're absolutely sure, confirm the deletion. After confirming, your account will be scheduled for deletion according to Atlassian's process. You may receive a confirmation email about the closure of your account. And that's it. That's exactly how to delete your Trello account step by step. Just remember to back up any important information and transfer board ownership before completing the process. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.